Sandy is preparing for an out-of-this-world adventure here at Ripley's Illusion Lab.
Cheers, buddy.
New here in Pigeon Forge, Ripley's Illusion Lab, and let's go inside. We are here at a new attraction in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee.
Yeah, the Ripley's Illusion Lab, and it's all about the brain and what you perceive it to read and be.
If it's all about my brain, we might have a big problem. This could be a very short video, Sandy.
Well, we're very happy because there's a lot of lights and we love lights.
We sure do. So let's get ready to go on this adventure that rocks.
Look at that. That's so cool.
All right, Rock is trying to escape from this bear. You might have to climb further, honey. Ah, see how high you can go? That bear's gonna get you. But look, he's really right here with me.
Is Sandy really sideways? Or is she standing amongst the bears? Or is she standing sideways? Okay.
They're pink cubes. And now what are they?
How'd they do that?
Oh, wow, that's really cool. Green orbs, and then we come back around. The pink cubes. There's a video game in here that you can play as you follow Sandy going through this virtual obstacle course, I guess. Jump, Sandy, jump! Jump, Sandy, jump! Did we mention you might get a workout in here while exploring Ripley's Illusion Lab? Now this is fun. Look at this floor. The lights on the ceilings up here. Sandy dancing the day away.
Our room needs to be lit up like this.
That's a really cool floor.
Oh, it changes too.
So here's an illusion with the ceiling. If I'm right, there's only 2 lights. But it looks like this room is loaded with these spinny lights.
How many Sandys are there?
I don't know about you, but I'm a huge Iron Maiden fan. Glad to see they're representing out here at Ripley's. Did I also mention I'm a huge Motley Crue fan? They must like their 80s hair metal here, and I can't complain. And don't forget to check out the outside area where you can have a lot of fun with these musical instruments, and there is plenty to choose from. Rock out, Sandy! Very nice. And Sandy for her encore. That's right, I had no idea Sandy knew how to play all these musical instruments. Who says you need to go into a distillery for some of that shine? They got your hooch right here at Ripley's Illusion Lab. Alright, time to check out the Upside Down room, where everything's upside down in here. No peeking in here! Okay, wait till you see this. Open this up, it says magic, and there's like a tiny carousel in there. Watch what happens. view kind of makes me a little dizzy. Okay, the camera cannot pick this up, but there's a second mode that's just for your eyes. You gotta hit it. It's really cool. You see the gingerbread guy like doing a rodeo on top of a faucet that's pouring out an ice cream cone. No kidding. Did we mention how you can get a great workout while here at Ripley's Illusion Lab? That's right, pump that iron.
Pump it, pump it.
Oh yeah.
Bro, one-handed even?
Oh yeah.
Woo.
I'm just that talented, Sandy.
You're that strong.
Oh yeah. Trying to get this on video, and look, Sandy is me, or am I Sandy?
Oh my God. Okay, try that again.
Sandy, what's going on down here? Woo! Yeah, this is fun. All right, I've been waiting for this. I can't wait to go down the slide.
Oh, wait.
What?
First of all, you have to take your shoes off.
Oh.
Second.
Okay, I'll take my shoes
No.
off. Sandy.
Second of all,
Yeah.
4 to 12-year-olds.
Oh,
Yeah,
not big kids?
not big kids like us, unfortunately. Because that slide, look at this slide. That slide looks like so much fun.
I can fit, Sandy, I can fit.
No, 4 to 12 only.
Is a children's play area where they can climb all they want. I think this cake is changing colors. I think. Well, there's green, blue.
Yellow?
Here's a view from the top, and you can clearly see this cake is magically changing colors. Did we mention there's lots in here for kids to do?
Oh my gosh. If my kids were here when they were little, of course, we would be here for hours. I mean, look at this up here, right there.
Right.
And then this whole jumping game, that's really fun. There's like several different versions. I'm out of shape, so I couldn't do it all day. But wow, it's so far so good.
Taking a snooze on Lips in a Sky.
Sandy is demonstrating. Look, she's floating in the air. Or is she? Good job.
Hi, honey.
It's like a kaleidoscope.
I see you.
A kaleidoscope of Sandy. They even have your classic wing portrait here at Ripley's Illusion Lab. Fly, Sandy, fly and soar with the angels. Did Sandy shrink? They call this the Little House of Illusion. The idea here at Ripley's Illusion Lab is something they call forced perspective, which makes Sandy look a lot smaller than she appears. I want my tall Sandy back. I don't want a Sandy I can fit in my pocket. Bring me back my tall Sandy. Now this is cool. I don't know what it is, but I like it.
You like anything with light?
Yes, true. Oh, it changes light patterns, Sandy, when you walk around this thing. At least I think it does.
Oh my. Where's your body?
I don't know, but if you ever wanted to know what your head looks like served on a platter,
There you
this
go.
is
It's missing some spaghetti.
I like spaghetti.
And the meatball. You're the meatball.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you're moving.
Oh my goodness, you got big.
Here, Sandy is playing another game. Sandy loves her games, and this one looks like you go through like a marble maze.
This one's easier than the jumping one.
Yeah,
We're going down this hill.
and you control the spin and everything by spinning this ball that Sandy's using. Kids and Sandy definitely have a ball out here. We hope you guys enjoyed our look at what's inside Ripley's Illusion Lab. What are your thoughts, Sandy?
We had fun. I mean, we normally don't go to places like this because we don't have our children are grown. But we had to check it out and see for ourselves. If we had our kids, I think we'd have double, triple the amount of fun. Also because a lot of the videos and photos that you could take to get the most of the experience includes two people. Well, we don't
Right.
have a selfie well, like if they had a place where they could put the photo or the phones up.
Like selfie stands.
Yeah, selfie stands. That would be ideal for people like us. But if you have kids, oh my goodness.
You're going to get a lot of fun souvenir photos in there.
Oh, 100%, yeah.
To, so that way this to look back on and remember your trip to Pigeon Forge.
Yeah, and be sure to check our Facebook, our Instagram, our TikTok to see some of the silly, crazy photos that we ended up taking in there. That was a lot of fun.
It sure was. We want to thank Ripley's for having us out. And don't forget, there is so many Ripley's attractions, 11 of them, I believe, in the Gatlinburg Pigeon Forge area. And this is just one of them that you can add on to a combo ticket. So that way if you're going to the aquarium or you're playing some mini golf, especially in that summertime and you want to break from the heat.
Or the rain. Sometimes it rains.
That's true. This is a great option. Like you said, for those rainy days or those very hot summer days.
Yeah, it's fun. Definitely for the kids.
Absolutely. If you haven't hit that like and subscribe yet,
What you waiting for?
because you really never know where we're going to end up next. However, has anything to do with that magic in the Smoky Mountains, we're going to make it an adventure that rocks.
Hey, real quick.
Yeah.
There's something free that you can do here, too.
What's that?
Right
I like free.
outside.
I love free.
There's a chess game.
Ooh.
Yeah, so come bring the kids and play chess.
Oh, that's a great idea, Sandy.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Let us know who wins. Where can they go if people want to find more information about Pigeon Forge, the Smoky Mountains, Dollywood, and so much more?
Yeah, the Smoky Mountain Life is a Facebook group or page that we have. We'd love to have you come on by and say hello and learn and ask questions, and we'll be happy to help you.